Hello everyone, see you again with Socheat Learning. Today video, I'm going to show you how to insert image in our Word document. So before we go through deeply in our video, don't forget subscribe our channel and make sure that everyone doesn't miss any video in the future. So everyone also can see or can watch any video in the link description below. It is free for everyone. So let's get started and jump into my PC and see how to insert image into our Word document. Hello everyone, right now we are in Microsoft Word and now I'm going to show you how to insert image in our Word document. So first you have a text like this, and then you go to the insert menu. If you have any menu, you click on insert menu, click on it, and then you will see many available here. So you don't worry, you just focus on the illustration group. So when you see in the illustration group, you will see here picture. So click on it right now. Okay, after you click on the picture, you will see three functions available. So the first one is this device. It means that the picture in your computer, and the last two option is the function that you can download your picture from the internet. So before you click on these two functions, to make sure that your computer is already connected with the internet. So right now I will insert the picture from the stock images. Right now I click on stock images. So wait a little bit, it will be take time. It needs your internet to access the pictures. So right now this is many pictures that you can insert, or you can search for the image that you want. You have here icon and many here that you can find it in this function. Okay, so right now I will choose one pictures into our Word document, and then I will show you how to align it, how to wrap it in our text. So right now I will click an image as the example. Okay, so right now I will choose this one, and then I click insert here, click insert, and wait a little bit. Right now your picture is in your Word document, and here, okay, this one. So how to zoom in or zoom out this image to make a smaller picture in your Word document like this? You can drag your picture in the corner of the pictures. You don't need to drag your picture in the side, left side, or the right side, because it can damage your picture size. To drag or to zoom in or zoom out, or to make your picture smaller than before or bigger than before, you should drag in the corner of the pictures like this. Okay, so you can move your picture to another place, but it is quite hard a little bit. It is quite hard for you to move the pictures. So to make sure that it is easy to move the picture, you can click on this bottom here, or you can go to the menu picture format. Here is the same function, so you can click on it, or you can click on this one. It's the same. So you can click on the picture format, you will see wrap text, and here is the same. You can click it, you will see here that you want to fit into your text. So you can choose here. I will choose square like this. So you can see right now your picture is in square of the text, and you are easy to move your pictures to other place like this. Okay, so it easy for you to move the picture. Okay, right now you can move to another place is easily more than before. Before we use this function, okay, the function about the layout options. So here is the picture that you can insert, and you can remove, and you can move, or you can add more pictures. It's up to you. Okay, so here, if you want to add anything on this image, for example, if you want to add the caption of the image, or you want to describe something to someone, you can click on the image, and you will see these are function here. So you can click on insert caption here, or you can cite the position, you can wrap. Here is the function that are available here. So click on the insert caption. You will see here you can choose the label, mean that you can choose another function here and you change this name. You can write down more, for example, everything that you want to write. For example, the chart. Okay, you can describe the pictures. Okay, the child is standing on the road and looking the sky. For example, this is just the example. Looking at the sky, looking at the sun. For example here. So. Okay, this is the caption. So I click OK, and right now you can see the caption under your pictures. Okay, look great. So if you want to add more pictures in your text, it is the same process that I already showed. So it is easily for you and especially for everyone that doesn't know how to insert image into your document. So the video, I think that all for everyone. I hope that the video is good for everyone to look and especially for someone that doesn't know how to insert image into a document. So I hope that see you again in the next video. Bye.